There seems to be a recruitment day for Vietjet Air. I see here the back office engineer, obviously stewardesses. Let's see if they have a section for influencers. I wouldn't mind flying to Vietnam for a couple of times. Good morning. I'm here at the Chitlom BTS station on the Bangkok Skywalk, and today I want to give you an update regarding the CentralWorld Mall, and I will explain you why Bangkok needs so many shopping malls. Yeah, so for starters, I think the main point why we have so many shopping malls is because Bangkok is on average the hottest city in the world, and I'm talking about major cities. So the average temperature here all year around is about 29 degrees Celsius, which is around 84 degrees Fahrenheit, which means that it's never cold, it's never fresh. And this is one of the reasons I think why shopping malls are very popular by the local people to go to and relax and get some fresh air. A second thing that is very important as well is that the city is being built up in a very different way than what we are used in the Western world. There is no city center where you have like shops where you can walk around. Everything is very spread out, so people prefer to go to a shopping mall and just do everything there. So the shopping malls will have the theater, the movie theater, you can go there for the museums. Everything is inside the mall. You go shopping, eating, a one-stop shop. Just to give an example, I'm on my way now to the CentralWorld Mall to see the exhibition of the Studio Ghibli. And this is something that's inside the mall. This is not for the tourists, this is for the local people. This is the Erawan Shrine, which is one of the main attractions in the city. Hello. So let's go towards CentralWorld. So the original CentralWorld Mall opened in 1992, and then it was actually known as the World Trade Center. And then they renovated everything, and in 2001 this version of the CentralWorld Mall opened up. The total size of the retail space is 550 square meters. And the whole complex is 830 square meters, and that includes the offices at CentralWorld as well. So with the 550 square meters, CentralWorld is actually the second biggest mall in Bangkok, right after the Icon Siam. And there is a bigger mall in the Bangkok area, and that is actually the Central Westgate, which is in Nonthaburi. Let's go up. The Studio Ghibli Exhibition is here on the 8th floor. This is a recently opened part of the mall, and I've been here before to see Dave Chappelle giving a show here, but today we are here for Studio Ghibli, a very different crowd. So the tickets are 680 baht per person, and we are not going VIP. And there are two sessions, one from 10 till 4 and one from 4 till 10. Sawadee krap, one ticket please. ครับขอแค่ครั้งเดียวนะคะด้านในไม่มีห้องน้ำค่ะครับ So we got our ticket. I have to be really honest, I'm not a big connoisseur of Studio Ghibli, but it seems to look nice. So let's go and have a look. Sawadee krap.
สวัสดีครับ
โอเคขอบคุณมากครับ
Enjoy ครับ
ครับ This exhibition will be here until the 31st of September, so if you still want to catch it, you have to be quick. And if you're a fan of this famous Japanese animation studio, I'll bet that you will like this. The nice part about this exhibition is that it's super interactive. You can actually go and sit next to all the puppets. So the CentralWorld Mall has different parts, and I'm here at the main entrance hall. So here we are at the central area. Now if you come here with Christmas, you have Santa Claus hanging here, but now it's Uniqlo. Let me just show you around a little bit. I'm here on the top floors, which is mainly food. There's a cinema. In the back you have a top supermarket, and then every floor has its specialties. You have a floor for technology, a floor with banks, a floor with shoes, clothing, fashion. In the far end of the mall you used to have the Isetan, which was a Japanese shopping mall, but unfortunately that closed and they redid it. And now there is a Japanese style food court and a Kinokuniya, which is a bookstore. So this part has been recently renovated, it's all new. So let me bring you to the food court. So I'm not sure what this is gonna be. I guess there is a whole floor space open to be used. You know, I like this escalator system. This can get you in and out quick. I know a lot of the systems where you have to cross throughout the whole shop to go one floor up. This is quick and easy. I love it. So let's go to the food court. Yeah, it looks really nice now. So I filmed here when they just opened, and this is called the Japan Avenue. And I see not all the booths are full yet, but it's nicely finished now. Most of the shops here are Japanese food. And from here you have a nice view of the Centennial Park, which I can also recommend if you are in CentralWorld, go and have a look at the park as well. So we came in here with a bright sun, but this is a typical rainy season day. I think we're gonna get a bit of rain. Here you have a nice view of the skywalk. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get a bit of rain. We might finish this video when it's raining.
0 to 4.
So it seems to be that there is a recruitment day for Vietjet. So if anybody is looking for a job, I guess they are looking for stewardesses. Let me see if they have a section for influencers as well. I wouldn't mind flying a couple of times to Vietnam and make some nice promotion. By the way, here on the ground floor you have the first Shake Shack in Bangkok. I tried it once, wasn't convinced. Maybe I have to try it again. Here we are at the offices of CentralWorld, and this is a part that a lot of people don't even know about. We just had the rain. And this area is called the Groove, and this is next to the offices at CentralWorld, and the people that work here in the offices, they are the ones that come here every Friday to do the end of the week. And this is an area with mainly restaurants and bars. Yeah, it just started raining, and this is pretty normal during the rainy season. This is probably just gonna be half an hour. You saw in the beginning of the video the sun was shining. I'm here at the R walk, the Raja Prasong walk, and again, more malls here. You have the Big C, and then you have the market. But everything is on the cover to protect for the sun and for the rain in this case. So I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the CentralWorld Mall and a bit about the Ghibli Studio Exhibition. If you enjoyed it, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.